Roulette is one of the most popular and exciting games in every casino, both brick and mortar and online. Simply put, player bets on one or more numbers, which brings him money if the ball that goes round the wheel stops on one of those numbers. The entire game of roulette has to do with a wheel, which purpose is to determine the winning bets. The divisions around the wheel are numbered from 1 to 36 in a seemingly random pattern and alternate red and black. Additionally, there is a green division numbered 0. On American tables only there is a second extra green division marked 00, and it is largely this that makes the American version of roulette a worse proposition financially than the European game. There's also the French version of roulette, which comes as no surprise, given that the game originated in France. It doesn't differ from the European variant in terms of the wheel, but it features the la partage and the en prison rules, which makes it even more favorable for you as a player. Different bets have different odds and different payout rates. The higher the chance to win a bet, the lower the amount of money you can win. Namely, if you bet on a single number, the odds are low, but if you win, you'll win a generous payout. On the other hand, betting on a group of numbers is safer, but such a win implies a low payout. You've maybe heard about lucky numbers. The number 17 is considered both the luckiest and the most random among Western gamblers. Other lucky numbers among the Western roulette enthusiasts are 7 and 3. However, in the Asian culture, the number 2 is viewed as the luckiest one, whereas Italians avoid the number 17 and see 13 as the lucky number. If you're feeling lucky, or have a lucky number, try roulette. It's based entirely on luck. However, some people like to try different strategies placing bets, but there is no guarantees you'll always win, as it all comes down to a wheel and a ball. Maybe the best advice is to practice roulette online for free. Play responsibly.